my people, this is Rudy Organics. Rudy Organics has come again with another natural treatment. Yeah, all of us know I deal with natural treatments for all illnesses. Anything that you're sick of, if you need natural medicines, you just look for Rudy Organics. So I've got another lesson here for you people. This lesson is to balance your hormones. Yeah, all of us know what hormones are in our system, and if our hormones are not balanced, it means that we are not fine. Yeah, maybe some people, because of hormonal imbalance, they are sick of this, they are sick of that, because their hormones are not balanced. Especially those who want to get pregnant. If you are a woman and you have hormonal imbalance, you can never get pregnant. That's the first cause of infertility in both men and women. The first cause of infertility in both men and women is hormonal imbalance. So before aiming pregnancy, before thinking that way, I want to get pregnant, you must first make sure that all your hormones are balanced. Yeah, if you go, like when you go to the hospital, for those who are going to the hospital to do tests, you have hormones tests that they will do for you. They will do you this test to check your hormones if all of them are balanced. And most people suffer from hormonal imbalance, be it men and women. They suffer from hormonal imbalance, and there are drugs that maybe they'll give you in the hospital, injections to take, drugs to take to balance your hormones. But here we have just things that you can do at home, and you get your hormones balanced by yourself without spending that much in the hospital. I just want to bring to you simple home treatment. Though there are seeds that you get it only at organic shops, good seeds that you take it and you balance your hormones yourself at home without spending much. So these are the seeds in front of me. I can name them. This one is black seed, this one is mustard seed. This one is flax seeds. This one is sesame seeds. They are common seeds. If you go to any organic shop, you get all these seeds. This one is our olive oil, extra virgin. No, extra virgin olive oil is one of the best source of olive oil. The best brand of olive oil is extra virgin olive oil. So this is our extra virgin olive oil, and this is our original honey. Original, not that those ones that they are born with or added sugar. No, this one is 100% original. So you look for your original honey. So before I teach you people how to get this our hormonal imbalance drain, make sure you subscribe to my channel, make sure you like my channel, make sure you share my video to others. So I'll be back to explain to you how we are going to prepare our hormonal imbalance treatment to balance your hormones. I'll be back to tell you. Okay guys, welcome back to our hormonal imbalance treatment. So we'll start with sesame seeds and flax seeds. These two seeds. This one is 250 milli of flax seeds, 250 milli of sesame seeds. So you take these two seeds, you roast them like frying. You can fry. You take it, put it inside a dry frying pan, you fry the seeds. After frying the seeds, you blend it. You blend these two seeds. Then after blending that, you take your honey. You take like 250 milli of honey also. You put it inside a container, mix it together. You mix everything, mix your sesame and flax seeds with honey. You mix them together, and then you lick 3 spoonfuls morning and evening. Every morning you just go there, you scoop 3 spoonfuls, you lick. In the evening you go there, you scoop 3 spoonfuls, you lick. That's the first remedy that you're going to do. You combine these two seeds, sesame and flax seeds, with honey, and you lick morning and evening. Okay, that one is one of the treatment, because it's 3 different treatment that I'm going to give here, and it's good to combine the 3 treatment. Yeah, don't go and take only sesame and honey and say, she said that sesame. No, combine the three. So this one is the first one, sesame and honey and flaxseed with honey. Then we go now to the second now. The second, we have this seed, mustard seed. We call this one mustard seed. So you take this mustard seeds, you can fry. Also, why we are frying it because so that it will blend easily. You can see it like that, you can see through it like that raw, but it's good to fry so that it will blend easily, and then at least fire to maybe any bacteria that might be there, as it has passed through the fire, it will kill the bacteria. So this one now, you take your mustard seed. This is step 2. Step 2 is mustard seed. This is it. You take your mustard seed. This is still 250 milli. You fry a bit, you blend. So after blending it, you mix it inside honey. 100 milli honey, 100 milliliters of honey. After you have fried this one, you blend it, you mix it inside honey for 24 hours. That's you wait. After mix, you keep it for 24 hours. You keep it down for 24 hours. That's 24 hours is 1 day. You keep it down for 1 day. After 1 day, you take now your olive oil. You can get olive oil, even half liter of olive oil. You can get half liter, is 500 milli of olive oil. You take now this mixture, mixture now of sesame seeds and honey. You pour it inside the olive oil. You take it like this, pour it inside your olive oil. You shake very well. Shake it, let the mixture, let it all, it should combine, should infuse all of them. Then after mixing it with olive oil, you keep it for 2 days. This one is a whole process. You first take sesame, you blend, you mix it inside honey, you keep it for 1 day. You pour it inside olive oil and keep it for 2 days for it to ferment. You keep it now for 2 days for it to ferment. And after 2 days now, you still take now 3 spoonful morning, 3 spoonful evening. By then this one will still be there. This sesame and flaxseed will still be there. Just combine, just continue. After you take this one, you can go now for this. After you finish licking this one, or you can wait for 30 minutes. You can wait after 1 hour. You wait for some time for this one to digest, either 30 minutes or 1 hour. You go in now for this one with olive oil. Yes, go in now for this one olive oil. You lick that 3 spoons in the morning, 3 spoons in the evening. Just these two. I'll just add this one. I'll just add this black seed just like complement. But these two works effectively. You have to take it for 3 weeks. 3 weeks continuously. These two remedies that I've explained, sesame and flaxseed, and then with mustard seed, honey and olive oil. You take it for 3 weeks continuously, morning, evening, morning, evening. 3 tablespoons in the morning and 3 tablespoons in the evening. You take it for 3 weeks and all your hormones will be balanced. All. Not that this hormone, no. All your hormones will be balanced. You get complete balanced hormone after you take this treatment for 3 weeks. So this one for black seeds, you can just take it as a compliment. This black seeds, go and Google search black seed. It treats everything. Some people, they name it even in Google that treatment for all illnesses except death. That it treats everything except, you know that then normally it's a natural process. You can't treat it. If it is that you are to die, it means that you are to die. But if it's just an illness that will not kill you, black seed will do the magic for you. So people take this black seed, you blend it, you mix it with honey, you mix it inside honey. After blending, you mix it. You can fry also all the seeds. You can still fry a bit. You mix it inside honey and keep it somewhere in your house. And this one is 1 teaspoon. You don't take more than 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon in the morning and 1 teaspoon in the evening. You take your 1 teaspoon black seed in the morning. You take your 1 teaspoon black seed in the evening. That way you just do it as a compliment. Yes, just as a compliment. But the real treatment is this two that I have explained. So let me more on black seed. Anything that you are sick, whether you are sick with malaria, typhoid, or diabetes, hypertension, hepatitis B, or it's weak, stroke, cancer, anything that you are sick of, get your black seed. Keep it at home. It's good even for your children. Everybody take it. Whether it's a child of from 1 year, or you take black seed. Put it in your house. If your child is sick, just give them. And you see how it will relieve them after some time. You can also just be taking it as preventive measures. You can take it just to prevent illnesses. You can keep it in your house and be taking to prevent illnesses. And then for those who don't want to go through like the long process of blending the black seeds, soak it inside honey before taking every day, you can just get your black seed oil. I have black seed oil here. Let me black seed oil. Where is it? Is it black seed oil? You can get your black seed oil. You take 1 teaspoon in the morning and 1 teaspoon in the evening. Just get it, keep it in your house. Every day you take 1 teaspoon in the morning, 1 teaspoon in the evening, 1 teaspoon in the morning. It prevents all illnesses, all except death. God will you see. Treatment for all illnesses except death. Black seed oil or black seed. So that's the remedy for today that I've explained. That's the one for today that I've explained. How to balance your hormones. Balance your hormones, especially those looking for the fruit of the womb. Before going in to look for the fruit of the womb, balance your hormones, sister. Balance your hormones, my brother, so that you take in successfully. I've given the 2 remedies there. Sesame seed, let me explain again. Sesame seed, I'll not go. Sesame seed, you blend, you mix with honey and drink. And mustard seed, you mix with honey and olive oil. Then make sure you always take your black seed, either the seed or the oil. So that's our remedy for today. Thank you people so much for watching my video. Thank you for subscribing to Rudy Organics. More videos are coming. More videos are coming. Turn on the notification button so that every day I'll be posting videos every day. Good videos that are very, very good for your health. That will help you not to spend much in the hospital. Yeah, even those for skincare, those who are suffering from either knuckles, your skin has skin discoloration, I'm posting it every day. Yeah, so click to my channel, like it, subscribe, share it to others. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. I love you. Bye.